Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Abhigya Salesforce. Today we are going to discuss about another real-time scenario on the flows. So here is the our use case. As a Salesforce user, I want to review my open closed opportunities from the my opportunity tab so that I can quickly access my sales pipeline. So here use case is the when user log into the application, they can quickly access to their open and closed opportunities side by side, and they can quickly review to the those opportunities, and they can easy to access to the those opportunities as well. So before starting to this use case, I will show you the how it is works and how it was we are going to implement. So let's come to the here. So this is the our output. So I am logged in as a user. So here we have to observe it is a displaying to the open opportunities one of the table and closed opportunities displayed by the in the another table. So client is expecting to the side by side like this to the open opportunities and closed opportunities, and they can able to clickable to the opportunity name, then they can quickly navigate to the respective opportunity. For example, I'm going to click on to this opportunity. It is redirecting to the new tab. It is redirecting to the new tab. See here, then they can easy to access to that particular opportunity. See here, then they want to edit or what they want to do, they can do it by the here. Okay, this is the our use case. Let's see how we are going to implement to the step by step here. Okay, so let's come to the flows. This is totally implemented onto the flows. Let's come to the flows. Click on to the new flow. So our first step is the we need to fetch the open and closed opportunities, closed one opportunities, and we can display the in the screen, right? That's why here we are going to choose to the screen flow. So click on to the screen flow. So before going to display, first we need to get it by the these records. Okay, these records. Okay, let's come to the here get records, get open and closed one opportunities. We don't want the closed last record. That's why we can get the open and closed one opportunity. We don't want to get to the closed last records. So here we can choose by the object opportunity, and here stage name does not equals to closed last. Okay, we don't have the closed last records. Now let's come to the here. We can take it by the all the records. So that's why here we can select by the all records here. Then let's up to here we can save it first. So my open and closed one opportunities. So click on save. So now we are getting to the open and closed one opportunity records. So here how we are going to display it by the two different tables. So already we know, right, in the flows we have the one of the great feature. We can filter to the our records. We can filter to the open records and closed one records before displaying into the in the screen flow. So now we are going to click on to the add element. Now we can use it by the filter look. Okay, collection filter. We can use it to filter to the open and closed one opportunities. Now I'm going to filter first open opportunities. So we are going to filter to the open opportunities first. Okay. So now here we have the collection already. Here we are getting the record, right? This is the collection variable. So which record we are going to filter? So here we are getting to the open and closed one records. So now we are getting to the here we need to filter to the open opportunities, right? So that's why stage does not equals to closed one. Why? Because means here we are getting the closed one and open records and closed last records. We are already filtered the here only. So now does not equals to closed one means it is written to the only for the open opportunities. Okay, and next step is the here we need to filter to the closed records. So now collection filter. So here filter closed one opportunities. So here we have to the get records, right? We are getting from the records from this one. From this one to we have so get records under the get records we have to choose to the, this one. Now again stage equals to now closed one records only. Here closed one not equals to records. It is written to the open opportunities. It is written to the closed one records equals to which records is that records only. It is the return. Okay, let's save up to here. Then we have the open and closed opportunities in our hand. And one more use case is the here we have to get it by the logged in user base, right? So here we need to add it by the here one more condition. So here owner ID equals to. So how to get it by the current user ID? So in the flows we have the running user. So here running user, which user is the logged in, that user ID, it will be the return ID. This is the logged in user based. We are getting to the that particular person opportunity records only. Okay, this is the logged in user based. We have to fetch it to the opportunity records. So then finally we are going to display to the, our opportunities in the screen. Let's take it by the screen flow. Open and closed opportunities. So I don't want to the header to display, so I'm removing to the header. And here we have to display to the here display table. So nothing but the data table. We are going to display the data into the table. So data table. So now we are in this table, we are going to display the open opportunities. Okay. So open opportunities. This is the title. We have to use this one, then it is displayed to the open opportunities. Now we have the data source is the already we are filter right collection variable. So filter to the open opportunities. Here we are going to select by the filter open opportunities. So now in this we are going to add it by the rows just for the view only. We don't want to select by the anything. That's why just we can give it by the view only and configure to the columns. Whatever the columns we want, we can display by the here name and next is the here stage name and next is the here So amount. Okay, so these are all the details we are displayed by the in this table. Now one more data table. I am going to take it to the here for the closed opportunities. Now this would be the closed opportunities. Closed one opportunities. Okay, we can use by this one also by the table title. And here we have the data source. So already we are filter, right? Filter closed one opportunities. Select by this one. Now this can also be the we can view only. And here columns we can configure name. And here stage is we no need to record. Why? Because these are all the closed one. So amount, and we can take it by the closed date. When it is the closed, we can easy to identify. So these three we have the display to the here. Okay, so name, amount, closed date for this. So now our next aim is the client is the expecting to display by side like this. Open and closed opportunities they want to the accessing to the side by side just like as a report. So that's why here we have to take it to this section, right? We have the one of the option in the close. So we have to take it by this section here. I'm segregated with to the two parts. Okay, in the first part, I'm going to add it by the open opportunities, and the second part, I'm adding by the closed opportunities. Then they can easy to review the okay open and closed opportunities side by side. Now let's done here up to so save. Just we can run and check it here now. See here, 13 is the open opportunities, 14 are the closed opportunities. And we don't want to display by the here like this finish button. So let's come back to the here in the screen flow. So footer, we don't want to write in the footer. We can just select by the hide finish button and hide pass button. Okay, just we can give these two. Let's here click on save. Now run this again. See here. Now we can able to review or see the open opportunities and closed one opportunities side by side table. Then user quickly review their own opportunities. Their own opportunities. Okay. So this is the way to we can get the records from the database first, and we can get the records from the logged in user as well. Okay, so this is the one of the criterias here, and after that without looping the records we can just use it to the collection filter to oh, we can fetch the open opportunity records and closed one opportunity records. Okay, then after that we can display the open and closed opportunities in the screen flow. So and final step is the here they want to click to the like this, right? Opportunity names we need to click, but now here you have to this we can't able to clickable to this one. So if you want to click to the opportunity name, we can create the one custom field by default. We can't able to give it to the link for the opportunity name link in the table. That feature not supported in the flows, right? So, but how we are going to achieve this? Without to writing the code, we want to able to click to the this opportunity name. So regarding to this one, we can take it by the one formula field, go to the object manager, come to the opportunity object. So fields and relationship. I'm just taking the one formula field. That formula field I'm going to access to the here. Then we can able to clickable to that one. So here click on new. So formula. So opportunity name. Hyperlink I'm creating. From the formula field, we can create by the hyperlink. So let's come to the text here. We can choose to the data type, click on next. So here we can go to the advanced formula. In the advanced formula, we have the one of the function hyperlink function. So this is we are going to select hyperlink function. It is generated by the link wise. So here we are going to simply to create to the this one. So hyperlink. How is the hyperlink? It is the here. So usually if you want to open by the any opportunity, right, we have the slash record ID, right? Slash record ID. So that's why here we are going to take it by this slash. So and ID we can give it. So current record ID automatically it's taken. So opportunity record ID na directly it is fetched by the opportunity record ID. So for displaying purpose, this is the link ID will be the backend, but your friendly name nothing but the we need to display by the friendly name is this is the name only, right? So that's why we are going to display to the opportunity name. So here opportunity name. Yeah. So just name API name is the name. Then target we want to target to the next to screen, right? Means new window. So that's why here we can give it to the comma underscore blank. So this will give to the new window. This will give to the new window. It will open by the our opportunity in the new window. Just like here you have to observe. I'm clicking onto this. This will open to the in the new window, right? So same like if you want to open by the new window, we can give it to the blank. Or if you want to in the same window, you can give it by the self. Then we can check it by the syntax. So there is no any errors. Click on next. So click on next. So I don't want to add it by this field in the layout. Just for the our flow purpose, we are created, right? So don't want to require for the this field in the page layout level. We can just use it for the backend only. We are just using to the in the backend only, right? No need to display to the end user. That's why we can remove it from the page layout. Why? Because if we are displayed in the page layout, user might be confused why this field is the hyperlink like this, right? So we can just avoid to the in the layout adding. Then come to the here, click on to the save. Now back to the our flow. Come to the here. Before that, we can just refresh page. Why? Because we are newly created one field, right? That will also be the reflected to the here. So now come to the here, click on to the here. So in the name field, right? We can remove the existing one. Now we can add it by the opportunity hyperlink. This is newly created, right? This one. So same label we can't able to display right here. User might be confused. That's why here we can choose to the custom label. So instead of this label, we are just giving to the name only. Then they can easy to understand this is the opportunity name only. Okay, we are not going to display by the opportunity name hyperlink. Okay, so click on done. Now this is the name field will be appear here. So we can align to the this one. We can move to the top. Yeah, just you can drag and drop to the you can align to the where you want to the your field. Okay, actually field label is the this one opportunity name hyperlink, but we can rename to the this one. We are using to the custom label. Same way we can follow for the closed one opportunities as well. So I'm deleting the standard name field, adding to the here our newly created field hyperlink. That's why I'm directly checking to the here hyperlink using to the custom label instead of the standard label. So here name field, click on to the done. Again here also we can align to the fields. So first we are going to display by the name field. Click on done. So click on save. So here run. See now here we can able to clickable by the opportunity name. Earlier what happened? Here we can't able to clickable. See here. But now we can able to the clickable to the opportunity. Then we click on to the particular opportunity name. It is redirecting to the that particular respective opportunity. Then user can quickly review to that particular opportunity and they can modify to the their opportunities. Okay. So this is the way to we can develop to the our functionality. See here. So initially we are getting by the records logged in user base. After that, we need to filter to the our opportunities like open opportunities and closed opportunities. Then we are displayed into the two separate data tables. Okay, so separate data table, one for the open opportunities, one for the closed opportunities. Then user can able to quickly review their opportunities. Okay, now we can save this one, means activate by this one. Final step is they are expecting to access to the this one into the from the my opportunities tab. So let's activate in this one. Then come to the setup. We can create by the one app builder page. Yeah, builder. Click on new. Click on next. My opportunities. This is the my tab. Okay. So click on to the next. Click on to the one region. Click on to the done. Now here we need to add it by the flow rate. So that's why here flow. Drag and drop to the here. So now here we can choose by the our flow. So here our flow is the open and closed one opportunities. Let's select this one. Now click on to the save. Click on to the activate. So let's give it to the this one into the our all flows will be in one place. That's why I created my flows is the application. You can give it by the sales or any you are created any custom applications. You can give it by that application. So anywhere is fine. Just I'm choosing to the my flows is the my application name. You can take it by the sales or service, or you are create any custom application. You can choose to that one. Add this one. Click on to the save. Then come to the here. Back to the page. Now search with the my opportunities. So in the My Flows app, we are added, right? Go to the My Flows app. So in the My Flows, this is the My Opportunities. See here, then user quickly access to their opportunities here. Okay, so here we have to the open and closed opportunities quickly. They can able to access from the tab. Then they click on to any particular opportunity. They can navigate to the respective opportunity. See here, I clicked on to this one. So this is the our use case. User can able to access to their open and closed opportunities with the side by side, and they can able to clickable to this one instead of the report, or we can get it by the records to the here. We can quickly access to the logged in user records side by side. Okay, open and closed opportunities. They can quickly review to their opportunity records. I hope it's clear how it was the implemented. Thank you.